right, good morning. We have our Jaguar XJ portfolio up on the lift to do some underbody photos before we take it out to do our auction photo shoot. So that was a quick startup, and we'll show you a little bit through the interior. So as you can see, let's get the odometer up. There we go. 55,776 miles. And as you saw there, the info readout is configurable with a little button on the end of the turn signal stalk. Additionally, we have the in-car navigation screen up and running, as you can see, crystal clear. Everything else through this interior is really well cared for and functional. This nice dark blue with the wood trim throughout. But in a moment we will have plenty more photos and videos to show for this car. If you have any additional questions, feel free to drop a comment and we'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching.